Okay, Marty is the Dutch oven master, but I am just getting this recipe ready, but I think you're really gonna like this hack. We are doing peach cobbler using fresh peaches and a cinnamon streusel quick bread mix, okay? So I think you're gonna like this one. So I've taken the Dutch oven, lined it with parchment paper because it makes cleanup so much easier, and I am putting fresh peaches in here. Now, canned peaches would be a whole lot easier, but let's be honest, Marty is a little bit of a peach snob, and if I walked out here with canned peaches, he would not be happy. So since they happen to be in season, I peeled a bunch of fresh peaches and I'm just dumping them into the bottom of the Dutch oven, okay? All right, so here's one of the things you need to know. Because peaches naturally have a little bit of liquid in them, you don't need to follow the entire recipe of all the liquids in the back. Use half of it. So instead of 2 eggs, 1 egg. Instead of a whole cup, use half a cup of the ingredients. So I've put those things in here, and I'm actually gonna use both of the bags it comes with. So the actual quick bread mixture, and then that streusel topping that normally you would add later, I'm just gonna put it in because that is the cinnamon flavoring. And I'm gonna mix all of that up very quickly. And I'm gonna dump it on top of, I'm gonna plot your view there, on top of, if I can get it to come out, these fresh peaches. Are you excited, Marty?
I'm looking forward to this.
All right, so this is just kind of gonna be a little bit of the topping. I'm having a hard time getting it out of the bowl. All right, this might be a good bowl to lick a little bit later. Spread it out evenly on top. And if you're familiar with Dutch oven cooking, it is all about the briquettes that are on the top and on the bottom. And again, I'm gonna let Marty take over that part.
All right, so I'm such a big fan of Dutch ovens that I actually keep 2 with us every time we travel. This is a fairly inexpensive one, but basically you're creating an oven. You got briquettes on the bottom, briquettes on the top. Most of your Dutch oven recipes are gonna be very specific about the number of bricks you use. Now this looks like it came out really, really perfect.
Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. Okay, so how many briquettes did you use on this one? So these have obviously cooked down because it's ready, but you put how many on the bottom and how many on the top?
So we put 15 on the bottom this time and 12 on the top. We cooked it for about 40 to 45 minutes.
It's perfect. I can't wait to dig in. Oh, and guess what? Guess what?
What?
I brought you some Bluebell vanilla ice cream.
Oh, well, you gotta have ice cream with peach cobbler.